Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add closed captioning to your Google Vids projects. So this is actually a really neat feature that you can use in Google Vids if you think you may or ought to have closed captions in your videos. If you go to Insert and go all the way down to the bottom, Closed Captions, you have a couple of different options. All right, you can add your own caption track, or you can use the auto-generated caption track. Now, one of the things you have to understand about closed captions and then auto-generating a closed caption, if your video doesn't have any voiceover, there probably isn't going to be any need for closed caption, and it probably won't be able to auto-generate one. If you're just creating your video and it's brand new, there's a good chance it won't have that auto-generated closed caption track available right away. But once your video it's been made, maybe it's been there for several minutes already. I don't know exactly what the time frame is on this. But then that auto-generated closed captioning may in fact be available automatically. All right, so I'm going to turn the volume down so there's no playback issues. And when I go to play on this video,
Welcome to Google
turn
Videos for
closed
Teachers,
captioning on,
a guide to classroom integration.
and
In this video,
voiceover
we'll
tracks
explore how
that
you
are
can
on this
effectively
video
use
show
Google
up as
Videos to enhance
auto-generated
teaching and learning in your
closed
classroom.
captions. I did not add this file myself. It just kind of did it on its own. What a great little feature here for Google Vids, allowing people to make more accessible videos for those who may be hard of hearing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.